Hi everybody, today in front of me I have Motorola Moto G52 smartphone, and let me show how you can activate and manage the keyboard clipboard on this device. First of all, you want to open the keyboard basically anywhere. I'll use the drawer search for it. Here on top of the characters and numbers, you gotta look for this very icon that is responsible for the clipboard itself. Tap on it. Once you are at the clipboard section of keyboard, just turn on the switch and that will effectively mean that we have successfully activated and enabled the clipboard. Next, if you want to remove some of the elements you have on it, just tap on this pencil, choose what elements you want to get rid of, for example this two, and next you gotta click on this trash bin, and as you can see the elements have been successfully erased. In order to add anything to the clipboard, you just gotta copy it. So let's say I want to add the word car to it. Let me type in car. Next, all I want to do is to select it, copy, and if I will get back to the clipboard, I'll see that the car element has been successfully added to the recent section. Alrighty, so that was pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.